So let's resume our class, guys. Actually, I have converted this session in two different videos. So we have left here from in when I was supposed to start with the variables. So let's quickly look and quickly start what are variables. Okay. What happened with my screen? Yeah. So let's take one more example for understand what the variable are. So let's take you are selling your house and you have to go some new house, right? You have purchased another house and you have to pack your things and this is the story basically. So what you do, you took you will what generally what people do, they take that kind of cartoon or that kind of box. This is you, basically this is you and this is cartoon. So what you'll do, you'll take your this item and put it into the box. You take this item and put it into the box, right? So basically what you take an empty box, right? And then you take these data and put it into the box. Are you getting my point? So, because you want to pack your things, so your things like this thing, like this painting, and this, you are taking these paintings. Basically, this is a raw data for you. So, and you put it into the box. Okay, so let's move forward. Then, what you do? This is an empty box, and you have to put your things inside it. Now, this empty bag is variable. This empty bag is called variable. And you are because putting all your items, all your pictures, all your data into that particular box, or we can say variable. And now, because there are lots of bags, because you are packing all the stuff, so what you are doing, you are giving the name of each and every box. So in this box, what you have, like what you packed pictures. So that's why you are giving the name to the box that it is pictures box. So in future, when you unpack this box, you get you of course when you shift to the new house, you would be able to see in which box what items are there, right? If it is a picture box, so you must be know that yes, this is a pictures box. There is another box which is a in which maybe it could be for your shoes bag, or it could be your cloth bag, or it could be your something else, right? So what you do is you you are naming that particular box, right? So basically variables, what is variable? Variables are with storage location with assigned names, right? Basically what you are doing in variable, this is a storage location. That cartoon is a storage location where you store the data, right? With assigned name, and you are giving the name to that particular box. So this is variable. Variables hold data that you can change or use later. So in that particular cartoon, what was you uh, like packing in that particular box? That things you can change or you can use later. How can you change? Like suppose there is a small cartoon and there is a big cartoon. In big cartoon you put your shoes. In small cartoon you put your clothes, right? But your clothes are uh, larger in size and your shoes are small in the quantity, right? So what you have to swap, you have to change both cartoons. Like in big bag uh, you have to pack your clothes, and in short bag you have to pack your shoes. So you have to change. So what you can do, you can hold data that you can change or use later. That's our variable. Hope you have understood. So now, I think, let me tell you once again about variables. Okay, so that don't have any confusion. Let me tell you once again. Uh, uh, it already done. Yeah. So I took a example of you are packing your things. Just think like that. You have these boxes, like empty boxes. You are shifting your house into new house. Okay, so you have to pack your all each and everythings. Okay, so what you do now, you you buy some these kind of empty bags from the market or from somewhere else, right? Now it is empty box. Now you are packing each and everything in this box. Like you have to put this thing in here, this and this. So what these things are, this becomes your data, right? This becomes your data. Also you have to, but it will not come in one cartoon, right? These things come in one cartoon, one box. Now you have to you have to pack this, like your TV as well, your lamp as well, your cupboard as well, your pot as well, and this thing as well, or whatever it is, this thing as well, right? You have to pack each and everything. So basically this empty box is your variable. A variable works as we have a very empty box is variable. Like as empty box is doing work here, variable works the same. Okay, we can put values into it. Okay, like we are putting some values in this cartoon, in this box, and now what we are doing, we are giving the name to that particular box, because here it is showing one box, but maybe, not maybe, if you are shifting your house, so there must be one more box like this, then there should be one more box like this, and one more box like this. Now how will you get that this is a pictures box, this is shoe box, this is accessory box, this is clothes bag? So what you do is you give name to them. So here you have given pictures, now you are giving shoes here now, and here you are using clothes, here you are giving name as accessories, right? So now you easily understand that yes, in this box my there are all my shoes. My shoes are in this box. In this box there are all my clothes. This is for my accessories, and here I pack all my pictures. So this is how you assign the name to particular box or particular variable. I hope it understood. Okay, so let's move forward. Now, let's just read it once by yourself. Variables, storage locations with assigned names means storage location, that box, that particular box. Oh, I should not remove that drawing. Sorry. Oh, can I control that? Yep. So that particular storage location. Okay, wait. No, I cannot move this. Yep, I cannot move this. I thought I can move it. Yeah, I can. This particular box, actually, it was not visible there and here. Yep, now. So, whole data that you can change or use later. Oh, so what this box or what very this box is basically variable, and what it is doing, it's holding the data. What kind of data in this box have? The shoe data that you can change. You can change shoe to accessory and accessory change to shoes. Like you can change the box of the shoes and to accessories or use later. You have to you want to use these shoes in your new house, right? You are not going to throw these shoes, right? So you can change your data and you can use it later. So this is the use of variables. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now I hope it's clear. Okay, so yeah, let's move forward. So let's set up the coding environment. As we have discussed, there are two major things. One is programming language, and another is programming environment. So let's set up where we will uh, code. Right there. Basically, we are going to code on Replit. Replit is an online platform. I'll show you in in this session only, and we will do some questions in today's class. Let's start. Okay, so yep, let's start here. So I'll teach you each and everything one by one. So first of all, okay, let me tell you. Okay, let's open it again. This is your Google Chrome. Okay, then just type replit.com. It is coming by itself because I used a lot replit.com. Then what you have to do, it's already logged in. I'm logging out uh, for you guys to make you understand. So this is basically Replit. It looks like this. Okay. So now you have to sign up. You need to sign up and you can continue with Google. Right. I already have an account. So I'm going to sign up again and yes, it's let's see. Yes. It is taking me to the dashboard. This is basically my dashboard because I have logged in. You can see my name Sayed Nazia here. This is my profile account, etc. etc. Now you have to go to here. Go here. You need to go here, which is create REPL. If it is not visible to you guys, so yep, now it could be visible. So you have to click here, create REPL. And after that, what you need to do is you have to select Node.js. There are lots of templates. Okay. I'm sorry for that. See, there are Python, HTML, CSS, JS, C++, and many more maybe. Yep. Look, there are lots of, but we have to select Node.js. Just remember this thing, Node.js. We have to select. Because Node.js, because we are doing JavaScript, we are learning JavaScript. That's why we are taking Node.js as Node.js providers. As I told you in the previous video, that JavaScript have this much improvement, or we can say uh, like JavaScript is much more updated now. So it is used for backend and front end as well. So that's and for front end use we use for backend we use Node.js to make a server. So for coding we use Node.js. Just keep it in mind. Don't go in the deep. So here you have to give the name. So I am giving name as non-students. So yeah. Now you just need to hit enter. Okay, let me show you how does it look. See, it looks like this. Okay, plus index.js. Don't go here, and then this. This is console. This is shell. Shell and console. Actually, just give me a minute. I have to make it in dark mode so that it would be more. Okay, let it be. I'll do it. I'll do it later. Sorry, guys. Sorry, everyone. I don't know where I have left. I don't get to know where I left out, and yeah. So yes, this is our Rapplet, and this is our platform where we code. So let's take as I've told you that variable is an empty box. So uh, I am taking a variable which is let suppose a and is equals to now I have to assign the value or assign the data to the variable. I'm taking it 2, and basically this is a full stop in JavaScript. What is let? Let is I'm using let earlier it is used as var. It means variable a is equals to 2, right? But I'm using here let. Now if we will use let, and I'm also using let. Var is also not like wrong, but let we use let as it is more similar. You guys with your mathematics, right? In mathematics, we have to when we solve any word problem, what we do is let the age of the Manish x. We, in each and every word problem, we do like this. So let's take it let. It would be more remember. A is a variable. A is variable here, and now I am giving the data to this particular variable. So for giving the data to the particular variable to particular empty box, we use is equals to. We are giving the value as we do does in the as we do in maths, same like this. A is equals to 2, and this colon is basically what is a full stop in JavaScript. Okay. Now, now to print this, we have the command which is console.log to print this A. This is the method to, this is the way to print to print any variable, to print any variable. Okay. Then you just need to click run and you will see the output here too. I hope is it clear to you? Now I am taking one more variable as b, and I am giving the data it's 12. And now I want to show the value of b. So I am putting b here. And sorry, I forgot to use full stop here as well, here as well. Please don't forget to use this full stop. It's a JavaScript full stop. Yep. Sorry. Oh, okay, now what I am doing is I am printing the value of b, the value of the variable b. Now what I need to do is run. You can see the value of b is 12. If I want to print both, so I can write like this, console.log. I can write like this as well. So it will show a and b, both the values, 2 and 12, right? If I like I want to make it in one line, one single line, 2 and 12. So I can do like this, A, comma, B. Now it will be on one line. So yep, let's see. Now it is saying 2 and 12, right? You can see this. This is basically which I have done. These two, what we can say, a hash. We can say this hash, or what you say in your language. If we put these two, basically danda, these two hash. So this is make it comment. Comment is basically you can see this, but this will not work in the code. Don't go in detail. Don't go in this deep. You will get these comment very soon. That how where we use it. Now just focus on variable and how we are assigning the value to particular variable. I hope this is clear. Now I want to tell you one more thing which is very important. You can see the name of the file here, index.js. I have not given this file name. It comes by itself because it's a by default. I mean, it comes by itself. Okay. So what if I want to make another file? So I have to go here. If you go here, it shows new file, right? In suggestion, it shows new file. Now, when you click here, it shows this thing. You can write like problem1.js. Clear? Now, here as well, I am assigning a value. Let's take x. Let x is equals to 50 and full stop. Now I am printing this console.log bracket x and then full stop. Okay, if I put run, so let's see what is coming in the output. Okay, let me remove this. Okay. Actually, I'm not able to see. Yep, what is coming? 2 and 12. Output of this file. Output of this file. So, what do you understand by this? Index.js is directly assigned to that particular button. Like index.js, this run button only works on index.js. Okay, the code which is written on index.js, and if we hit this run button, it will run only the code which is written in the index.js. It is coming by itself from Traplet. Now you must have the doubt that then how can we run our code. So if you are saying looking here console, look, it's coming like clear history. Okay. So here we are on console. You can click on shell, and here you have to write node. Why node? Because we are using Node.js. In starting, you must have, like I told you that take Node.js, so that's why we are taking Node. Then we'll say the file name, which is problem1.js, and hit enter. Now you can see the output of your file. You can make many more file. Problem2.js. I made one more file, and here also I'm taking let s is equals to 7, and I'm the consoling it, means printing it. So log s and full stop. Now if I want to run this problem2 file, how can I run? Node problem2.js, sorry, and hit enter. Now you can see 7. And you can also see if I'm running one file, like I'm here, I was running, I want to run my code in problem 1. So it is showing me the output only of problem 1, and here node problem 2. So it is showing the output of the that particular file, right? Are you getting my point? And if you want to run code of index.js, you what you will do is you click on run and it shows in console, right? So yeah, so that's if you click on here, it will clear all your code. Okay, so that's it for the this class. In next class, we will learn more about variables, not only variables. We have done with the variables. Now we will start using variables and many more operators. Like we have mathematical operators, we have relational operators, we have many more many more operators. So we will learn all these things in the next class. So I hope you guys have understood all these things, and please make notes and please try to use replit.com and sign by using sign up, and try to make 1 to 2 problems. Like I made 1 2 files here, so try to write this much code only. This much. Just let take a variable and assign the value to that particular variable, and just print those variables, and make 2 to 3 files and run them. So let me tell you once again how can you run this file, which is not index.js. So you can directly just write node and your file name. I have given my file name as problem2.js, which I want to run. And you can see the output. So this is how you can print your file which have been created by you can run. And index.js is very simple to just click on run and it will run your code. That's it. So that's it for today class. So please complete this much and try it once by yourself, so it will more helpful. So thank you so much everyone, and I will meet you in the next class. Bye bye.